Hi guys, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian and I got some packages, so I thought I would do an unboxing here live. I'm just kidding, we're not live. What? Why are you laughing? I got a knife. Forgot hand drew. Hand drew is the creepy hand that I normally swatch on. I forgot him at home. Boo. I also don't really trust myself too much with this knife, but I'm gonna try my best. This package is from Harper Lee. Very excited. If you don't know who Harper Lee is, I follow her on Instagram and I followed her for years. She is so stunning. She's so beautiful. It hurts me every time I see her because she's so beautiful. I recently saw that she launched some eyelashes, so I think this might be, if you like beautiful goth queens, you need to follow her. She's just, I can't put into words how pretty she is. Ooh, so we have some lashes. I think it's a collab, Lash Me Up. So these are her lashes. Cute. This is from Space Brands. Space Brand. Okay, we have a package from Kevyn Aucoin, and it's the Molten Lip Color Molten Matte. So these are matte, I'm assuming, matte lip colors. I like these lip wands because they really hug the lip. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. I did swatch all of them. I apologize for my terrible swatches. They dry down matte. This red is calling my name. I haven't worn a red lip in a minute. On the little insert, they give out a pro tip. They say, sheer out the matte lip shade and apply to your cheeks for a long wear blush and a monochromatic look. I like it when they include little pro tips like that. No mirror challenge. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Cute. This one is called Nicole. This is the contour book, The Art of Sculpting and Defining, Volume 3. Oh. So we have 3 powdered contours, a blush/highlight, and then 2 highlights as well, all powders, so no creams, which is nice because I think in their original contour book there was some creams and things just got really messy. Nice big mirror. Let me just swatch this. I love the Volume 1, I think I have. Can you see that highlight? If you watch some of my not even old, super old tutorials, if you just go back a little bit, I use the Volume 1 in every single tutorial. It's some of my favorite contour powders. Ew, thank you. Huda Beauty. Ooh. Precious Stones Obsession. Ooh, ooh, I love all these looks, yes. So we have the little mini, I think this opens, I'm a mess, it does. So we have 5 different palettes. I just took one out, sorry. I'll open each one. This one is called Topaz Obsessions. Ooh, look at that. Then we have Ruby Obsessions. Ooh. I should have worn makeup. Okay, this one's called Amethyst Obsessions. Ooh. So it looks like so far all of these you get at least 3 mattes and the rest have shimmer to them. But at least they're giving you a good combination of mattes and shimmers. This one is Sapphire Obsessions. And then we have Emerald Obsessions. Ooh-wee. Which one's your favorite? Let me know. Which one should I use first? Okay, wait. We're rolling? Okay, this is from Urban Decay. This is the Urban Decay Elements Cosmic Color from Another Dimension. And then this is the palette. Okay, so we have, there are 19 shadows in here. Are they all shiny? We have 1 matte. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 mattes. I know a lot of people get very concerned with matte eyeshadows, but it's mainly a shimmer palette. Let me swatch a couple. This one's called Fortune Teller, and it's really calling my name because it has a color shift to it. Where's Andrew when you need him? So it's it kind of looks brown and then it turns green, has a green shift to it. Let's see, Volcanic. Oh, that one's pretty. Maybe I should just swatch him on my face. Let me know down below. Do you want to see a tutorial with this palette? Are you lusting after this? Do you like it? What are your thoughts? I love the big mirror and I love this. I feel like this is a good add-on palette. If you maybe have a lot of neutrals and you want to add in some color, this would be a good one. We've got some concealer here from Cover FX. So this is the Power Play Full Coverage Concealer, available in 30 shades. I've mentioned this numerous times. You guys should know that concealer is my number one. I love concealer. Whoa. It has a very interesting ball tip to it. Let's try this side because I have the hyperpigmentation and dark circles. I'm just gonna do little 2 dots and blend with my finger because, whoa, that was a lot actually. Crease-proof formula that provides comfortable all-day wear. This is here to change the game. That's what they're saying. That's nice. It's very creamy, as you saw. A little bit went a really long way. I kind of like blended it off of my face, but did any of you guys watch the video? It's the Cover FX video with Bretman Rock and Chelsea Handler. I watched because it was such a weird combination. Like, I love Chelsea Handler, and her being on a beauty YouTube video is so, it was so random. It was, I think it was funny, but I couldn't tell if it was supposed to be funny or not. I would love to do a video with Chelsea. Actually, no, she's kind of scary. I think she's so funny. That's all I have to say. Okay, so this threw me off because on the label, they included my middle name, and I don't think I've given any brand my middle name, so how did they know? Maybelline Soda Pop. Look at it. Oh, cute. Okay, so this is the Soda Pop palette. So they did, what was that? What was the last one, Sonic? It was Lemonade Craze. What was it? You know. So this is the Soda Pop. Pretty. Did I do a tutorial with the Lemonade palette, Sonic? Did I? I think I did, but I didn't post it. Oh, it was with Nick. I did an ASMR video with the Lemonade Craze palette. It was really funny, but it did not work out. I would randomly start laughing, or I started yelling, and like if you were really listening to it with headphones on, you would have like went deaf. I couldn't be serious. They also have some, I can't read this, Soda Parlor lollipops. I watched this documentary on Netflix because I guess, like, you know, there's just, first of all, there's a million documentaries telling you that everything you eat is awful for you, right? Okay, so the last one I watched was how sugar is the death of us, and I do believe that. And they shared like an image of the brain, what it looks like on sugar and what it looks like on cocaine, and like it was exactly the same, and that we're all really addicted to sugar. And I've been trying to cut down my sugar intake, and let me tell you, withdrawals are like real with sugar. I was going insane. I am so addicted to sugar. The only thing like I don't like about these documentaries is, okay, yeah, if all this is bad for us and we're all dying from all the crap we're eating, but they never give you a solution. Like, how am I supposed to quit sugar? They never gave me a solution. Just stop. Anyways, what I'm getting at is I'm gonna have this sugar-filled lollipop. Wow. I don't know what this is. Is this clothes? I low-key wish I was like a, what do you call them? A fashion Instagrammer or YouTuber? Because they probably get so many clothes. Your girl needs clothes. I've been wearing the same shirt for the last week, my NSYNC one. If you follow me on Snapchat, you all have been calling me out on it. Like a little cropped Maybelline sweatshirt. We have a cropped Maybelline top. We have this bag to put over my head when I want to end it. That was pretty cool. I've never seen a makeup brand partner with clothing. Thanks, Maybelline. Okay, this is the last package. We've got some moisture happening. It has me a little nervous. I'm out of breath. I need to work out. All I did was stand up. We have the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. They have 45 True to You shades. Also, we have down here in this little compartment, the concealers. I don't think I've ever tried it before. So we will definitely have to see. Is it really that good? And that completes this unboxing. Let me know down below if there are any products in this that you want me to use next. But other than that, I hope you have a good day today, make good choices, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I think it's still good. That was a mess. Ew. Leave me alone. I'm very active. I walk a lot of places.